So it's Sunday afternoon. Been working on cars and trucks all day, doing maintenance, oil changes, fuel filter transfer case, fluid replacement in the 2008 F-150. And wife and I were talking about what we're gonna eat for dinner. And I said, you know what? We can get something that we can eat on for a couple days now that we got all this stay-at-home stuff going on with coronavirus. So I went out and got me a turkey and fired up the old turkey fryer from Thanksgiving. There he is. Turn the heat up a little bit. So we got to get this up to 325. I just put him in there about 5 minutes ago and it'll make the temperature drop. But anyway, got us a 20-pound turkey. We're gonna fry that bad boy for about an hour and then we'll be ready to eat. We can eat on that for a few days, from meals to sandwiches. So you gotta do what you gotta do in this COVID-19 crap. So you find different and exciting ways to talk about what's for dinner. Anyway, there it is. If you're wondering what to do for dinner, never forget that turkey is the other white meat. It's not always about chicken. When you can't find chicken, you can still find some turkey. Try to keep the temperature between 3 and 325. And that's what it looks like when it's cooking. Goodness. Alright, turkey's been cooking 3.5 minutes a pound, which is roughly about an hour and 15 minutes, give or take. So here's what it looks like now. That's what I'm talking about. Good. Alright, you press the button on top.